Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will have a walkthrough on a program that I wrote yesterday, CRUD using OOP or Object Oriented Programming Principle in PHP and MySQL. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers and viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free without any cost from your end in my GitHub account. So so let's get started. So we have here the front end, no? The main menu, CRUD using OOP in PHP in MySQL. CRUD stands for create, to add, read, to view, update, to change, D for deletion, basic database operation. So I have here several fields: name, address, age, gender, and action. Action we have update, delete, and then new register new user. Let's say for example, click new user. Let's say John Doe, address USA, age let's say 89, male, the male or female, the gender. Click save. A new record John Doe is being saved in display. So we make some corrections. Click update. Which is the age of John Doe is 15 years old instead of 89. Click update. Return to home. It is already 15. Now, if we want to remove this record, just simply click the delete button. It will ask, are you sure you want to delete this record? Click OK. It is already been deleted. Now, let us go with the source code. So, the source code is quite simple. Let us go with the logic PHP, no? So code PHP where the all the classes no functions are being put together. So we have here construct user. This function is for to add record. Okay, function to get the record to display on the screen. This one is to get the ID if we want to delete the record. And then update the record here. We have SQL statement here, and then we have here the deletion. This is just a walkthrough, no, how the code it is being work together, no. So the best thing to learn programming is to have a code already and try to understand how to use it. And then for the delete, we just simply include the code.php here, delete, get the ID, the user found, index. This is the front end. Okay, and then the logic, no, to insert the record, register, to register the user. Okay, logic PHP. Okay, and then the update. Now, I would like to emphasize, if you want to improve your skills in PHP development, you have to adapt coding using OOP or object-oriented programming, just like this one in PHP. Because if you want to work in the industry as a software engineer, programmer, or web developer, you are not working alone. You are working in a team. So working with procedural code, it's very hard to maintain. In a team, you can use a class, use it again, and then easy to fix if there is bugs that you encountered. Second, all the PHP framework in the market today are using object-oriented programming approach. There's no procedural programming there. Laravel, Cake PHP, Symfony are using object-oriented approach in their coding standards, best practices. So procedural is not dying, but only a few use it, especially if you are the only one who are working with an application that is not quite big. No? But if you are working with medium or big company, enterprise application, you need to use object-oriented approach in coding or programming. Okay guys, so that's it, no? That's the end of our tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description, as I said, where you can download the complete source code of our CRUD using OOP in PHP and MySQL. Thank you for listening and watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new with my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. This is your friend Jake saying bye-bye for now.